In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use the stack feature on your WordPress website, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're enhancing your blog or setting up a new page layout, adding a stack can significantly improve your site's design and functionality. So let's dive right in and take it step by step, ensuring that you have a seamless experience. First things first, let's get started by heading over to wordpress.com. This is your hub for managing all your WordPress sites and accessing the various tools and features you need. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. You'll see the login option prominently displayed on the site's main page. Click on it and get ready to enter your dashboard. To make the process even smoother, click on Continue with Google. This provides a quicker and often more secure way to access your account without having to remember another password. Once you click this, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select the one associated with your WordPress site, and you'll be seamlessly logged in and taken to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, let's head over to the Edit Site option. You'll find this under Quick Links on the right hand panel. This is where you'll be making all your design and content changes, so click on Edit Site to get started with your customizations. Now let's talk about adding a stack. Up at the top left of your screen, you'll notice an Add button. This is where you can add new blocks to your site, such as text, images, or in our case, a stack. Click on that Add button now, and it's time to start spicing up your website. In the search bar that appears, simply type in the word stack. As you type, you should see the stack option pop up. It might be the case that all the options look similar, so ensure you select the one that simply says stack. Go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you've now added a stack to your page, which acts as a container where you can neatly organize multiple elements both vertically and horizontally. Use this feature to layer your content thoughtfully and create compelling visual narratives on your website. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully integrated the stack feature into your WordPress site, opening up new possibilities for organizing your content effectively. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and make your website truly stand out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to enhance your site's design effortlessly.